Hello guys, I'm AK and today I can tell you about one of the most amazing app that is Smoke Art Focus and Filtered. This app is nothing but the name art. You can make your name in awesome way with using smoke background. Also you can use the sticker option in the app. So guys, now I can show you how I can make my name in awesome way with using this app. So are you ready guys? Let's start our video. You can see guys this app, touch that. Now you can see guys this kind of interface. You can touch the start option. Now you can see many type of smoke background are available in this app. Now what you can do, first you can touch the name art. Now you can touch this pencil option. Now you can write your name. After that I can choose the font option. You can see many type of font are available in this app. You can choose as you want. After that choosing font, you can choose your color, font color. After that guys you can touch the tick button. After that you can choose your smoke background as you want. And after that you can see many type of stickers are available in this app. You can manage this. Now you can see many type of thoughts are available. You can touch that and you can make your awesome thoughts with using smoke. You can see that this kind of art sticker are also available in this app. So guys, after that you can touch the tick button on the top of the right hand side. After that guys, this pic is already saved in your gallery. Now we can see that, and I can show you all how many pics I can make from this app. You can see that guys. Now I can show you more pics.